My name is Deonslow Cole. Everyone calls me Deon for short. And this is my reflection from our go-to session on week one. Excited about being in the class and learning about what we can do with all the information we've learned so far and putting our apps into motion. Mr. Gibson went over a lot as preparing us for this week as far as making sure that we know what's coming up, not turning in any late work, having fun, being original with what we do and setting up a lot of things. But one of the things he went through that's important for us to set up is our Titanium Studio. I downloaded Accelerator Studio because the Titanium one wouldn't let me do it for some odd reason, so I'm hoping it's the same thing. But once we downloaded it, it took a crazy long time. But one of the things we have to do to kind of prepare ourselves for is create a folder. I did a VFW folder, and inside of it on my desktop, we created a projects, and I named my other folder free time folder, just in case I wanted to play around with some things outside of what we normally do and normally set up and working on our projects and everything. Also, if you have yours set up, there's different workspaces that come in right here. I have a bunch of them already kind of done, just playing around. But the one free time is where we kind of use to do some extra stuff. And as we load it up and see how we can create and get in and use Accelerator. And Accelerator is definitely one of the ones. It's for me. I think it's one that's for beginners. It uses Java that can translate over to both iOS and Android, and allows everyone, especially for us who are new to this, for faster and cheaper development. And if we wanted to create a new project, we would come in, click on New, go to our mobile app project, click on Classic, default project, which we'll always use. We'll name it our project, call our last name dot project, and this is where our location where it's going to be stored, and our app ID will be the backwards URL com.co.project, and more than likely we'll be creating things for our Android, iPhone, and mobile web. We'll click finish, and then it will definitely pop up here like I did for this one, which is our first. I named it first project, but we'll have all the coding and everything, and our resource folder is where we'll store all of our information. We'll see it for Android, see it for iPhone, our JavaScript file, and you see everything inside of here that we create for our iPhone. The same thing for our Android, where we're putting everything. If it's not inside either one of these folders, if it's inside the iPhone folder, we'll go for Android. Inside the Android folder, it won't go for iPhone. Anything outside this can be used for both of them. So I'm looking forward to being in this class, and I'm looking forward to working with everybody. It's going to be fun, and hopefully we all enjoy it.